Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can crop images and photos in your web design projects on Penpot without using any plugins or external image editing tools. So let us dive into this. What you want to do, guys, is navigate to your design draft, select the page from the list of layers here you would like to crop the image in. I will go with page number 2. And then select the image here on the left side in your layers, or insert the image if you haven't done that yet by using the image placer here at the top. I have already done that, so let us crop that image for demonstration purposes. As you know, guys, there is no built-in cropping tool here on Penpot, but there is a fix we can use for that instead, and I'm going to show you how to use that fix. So what you want to do is, let me just zoom in a bit. Let us say, for example, I would like to crop a part of that image. I don't know, let's say this left area here of that image, right? With that building and some of these with that residential area in the background, right? So what you want to do is you want to add a rectangle or shape, right? If you want to crop out, for example, a rectangle shape, you will need a rectangle shape for that. If you want to crop out, let's say, a circle, you will need a circle, and so on and so forth. So use the rectangle tool here at the top, for example, and position it above your image. Let's say, for example, yeah, as I said, this area here, right? Doesn't matter which color the rectangle has, just make sure that it covers the area you would like to crop, like this. What you want to do next is right-click into your image in the background and make sure that it stays in the front. So bring it to front here. And now what you want to do is highlight both your image and your rectangle that is now in the background by drawing a box like this around it with your left mouse. Release your left mouse, right click into both of them, select group. Again, right click into the group and select mask. And that is going to crop your image. As you can see now, that area we wanted to crop or to filter out has been kept, while the rest of the image has been cut out. That's how you do it on Penpot in 2026. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.